Hey guys, I have something special for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you a casual dance move you can do at clubs, weddings, and social events. This dance move is also super versatile. So once you learn it, you can go from zero to hero on the dance floor. Before diving into the tutorial, if you want to learn step by step how to pick up and master a set of basic dance moves, then check out the Dance Floor Basics program on my website. That being said, let's get into it. Getting started, we're going to work on the upper body first. So we're going to do the basic back and forward groove. So the back and forward groove looks like this. Okay, I know all on its own it looks a little bit awkward, but once you put a level and a little bit of a direction in there, it's gonna look good. So follow me. We're just going to stand up straight like so. From here, you wanna make sure your core is locked, and we're just going to lean backwards. Okay, so we lean back and come back forward. So we go one and 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 one and. Okay, so a quick troubleshoot. Make sure your core is locked, because if you're not locking your core, you're just going to kind of slouch backwards and it doesn't look good. So make sure your core is locked, lean back, and it's going to bounce you right back forward. So we go boom and boom and boom and boom. So from the front, we go one and two and one and two. Another thing is make sure you're not looking at the ceiling when you lean back, so it's not like this. All right, it looks weird. Make sure you're looking forward, okay? So we go one and two and one and two. One and two and one and two. Try that again from the side. We go one and two, one and two, one, two, one and two. Okay, before moving on, last thing you want to be aware of, you don't want to be doing the pelvic thrust, okay? So it's not like this, all right? That's wrong. You want to make sure that the motion is in the upper body, going back, forward, back, forward. If your hips goes forward a little bit, it's okay, but make sure you're just not, just moving your hips, okay? So we go one and two and one and two. One and two, rock and rock. All right, so let's speed it up a little bit and then we'll go to music. Here we go, on my count, 5, 6, 7, 8. One and two and one and two. Back, 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 back. One and two, rock and rock and rock, rock, rock and rock. All right, let's give it a try to some music now. Let's try it out. On my count, going back first. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. One and two and two. One, two and two. Rock, rock and rock, rock, rock and rock. One, two and two. One, two. Keep your core locked. Boom, boom and rock. Back, back and back. One, two and two. One, two and two. One, two and two. One, two. All right. Moving on, we're going to put a level into the motion now. So it's gonna look like this. Boom and boom, boom and boom, boom and boom, boom and boom. All right, let me show you what's gonna happen. So first, we're going to do the regular rocking back motion. So we go one and then from here, we're going to bend our knees, and then from this lower level, we're going to rock back and, okay? So putting that together, it's gonna go one and two and, okay? So one more time, we go back, forward, boom, forward, okay? So a little bit faster, we go one and two and one and two. One and two, one and two. Okay, so I'm doing it in an exaggerated motion right now so you can see what's going on. But later on, we can scale it down. All right, let's continue. So let's try it one more time. We're going to hit it up straight. We go boom, boom. And then from here, we bend our knees and then we go back, forward, okay? So we go up and low and up and low and up, low, up, low. All right, so it takes a little bit of practice before you can really get into sync for this move. So get a little bit of practice in, and don't worry if you don't get it for the first time. All right, let's try it again, okay? So up top, we go boom, down, back, and boom, and back, boom, back, up and low, up and low, up and low, up and low, okay? Quick little break. Let's speed it up. So we go up and low, up and low, up, low, up, low. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Let's try it again now, a little bit faster. Here we go. We go 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Once you have that down, we can add a little bit of a sway in there. So it starts to look like this. Okay, so all it is I'm swinging my body from one side to the other, one side to the other. Okay, so let's give that a try and then we'll go to music. Going this way first. We go 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1 and 2. All right, let's give it a try to some music. On my count, follow me. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2, and 2, and 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2, and 2, and boom, boom, and back, boom, boom, and back. 1, 2, and 2, 1, 2. All right. Once you get that down, you can start creating a few variations. For example, if I put the back step in there, it's gonna look like this. Boom, and boom, and boom. 1 and 2, and 2. So all that I'm doing here is I'm putting my foot back and back. All right, so the motion with the footwork turns into this. Another thing you can do is to really scale the movement down. So it looks like this. Much more casual. All right, so once you get the movement down, the fundamental movement down, you can really play around with it and make a bunch of different fun variations. All right, and that's all. So once again, if you want to learn step by step how to pick up and master a set of basic dance moves that are perfect for weddings, social events, or the club, then check out the Dance Floor Basics program on my website. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe and share. This is Brian B., your living room dance teacher. Let's talk soon.